guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing great. So today is Friday, which means it's the weekend. I haven't vlogged in quite a while. So I decided to take out the camera today, get some vlogging done. So I'm in the process of kind of reorganizing my living room because I wanted to set up a little sewing area in the living room, not the living room, sorry, in the dining room. So let me just show you what that's looking like right now. But before I continue, guys, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you very much. And hit a thumbs up for me, please. All right, so how you turn this? Can I turn this around when I'm recording? I don't think so. So yeah, I took off a bunch of stuff. There was like a little table I had here, so the table was turned the other way, so I kind of turned it this way from the suggestion of my husband. And I'm gonna use this little space right here just to put a little table here so I can put my sewing machines. The picture frames have been falling down, so I'm just gonna take it down, and take those down as well, and kind of just redo the space. That's a lamp I had. I'm selling that lamp because I don't really have any space for it anymore. It used to be in the living room, but yeah, so I'm selling this lamp. But I have this sewing machine, that serger, and actually two more sewing machines. My husband is like, okay, Shelone, another sewing machine. Okay. And I'm not sure if you could see, but right there I have my dress form and everything. So I'm gonna clear off this table, of course. Just get everything organized again, and just kind of zhuzh up the space a little bit. There's some artwork that's in the bedroom that I think I may take out here. So I'm not sure yet. I may just hang this up. I may hang it up instead, and maybe I'll probably keep those two red picture frames right there because I really like them. So I'll keep that and maybe use it with this since there's red in this picture frame. So I'll probably put this here, put it right here, and use those two. Take down all those white picture frames. I'll just keep the pictures in an album or something and sell those picture frames or give them away, because I think I bought I bought them on Facebook Marketplace for $20 for all of them. So I might just give them away, and I'll pull some artwork from the bedroom that I wasn't necessarily a fan of them being here, and they should tie in with this little fake plant. But anyways, I will do all of that soon. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm supposed to drop off the car also at the dealership because the CarPlay keeps disconnecting, going in and out. So I'm supposed to drop that off today as well so they could run some diagnostics to see what's causing that. And yeah, I'm gonna try and take you guys along with me today. I'm going to tidy up the living room a little bit. It's my lunchtime now. So yeah, I'll do that. And I will be filming I'll be filming a living room reveal kind of a thing. Where I purchased it. Purchased it. I purchased the living room. Where I purchased each item in the living room. And yeah. So it may be posted, it may not be posted. I'm not sure, but just stay tuned to the channel. Outside is very bleaky. Outside is looking pretty bleaky, so I'm hoping, crossing my fingers that it doesn't rain today or I don't get caught in a hailstorm. I am also supposed to redo my hair tomorrow. I'm actually gonna go to the hairdresser tomorrow, so I'll take you guys, I'll take you guys on the road with me as well, because now that I know that I really like this hair, I'm gonna get it professionally done, because yeah, it's kind of dry because I haven't been taking care of it. So I'm gonna get it treated, deep condition, and all that good stuff, and I will take you guys along with me. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. Hey guys, so it's 2 o'clock. I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna get some machine covers for these things so they're not exposed. Something a little bit decorative. more than likely I'll put this away in the storage room. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Definitely gonna move this. The more I look at it, the more I'm gonna move this. I have another sewing machine that I'm supposed to unbox. It's an embroidery slash sewing machine. I'm thinking that I may sell this one because the embroidery machine that I have also sews, or maybe I'll just set up this to embroidery, just use this exclusively, even though I can technically use it to sew, maybe use it to put in like buttonholes and stuff, because it's digital and it's probably easier to use. I was gonna sell one of these sergers, but then I realized that, hey, it's probably easier to like have one with like white and one with black, so that depending on like the color of the fabric, I could just go on ahead and just use whichever one. If it's a dark color fabric, I use the black to serge or the white to serge, because serges are like not the easiest to thread. So to save time, I just may keep those two. And this is the table. I haven't set it or anything because ain't nobody got time for that. But I just put a little bit of pictures here. I tried to make it center with this table. So yeah, I may add a few more pictures in the future. But yeah, that's that. And what else? Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, I will catch you guys back in the morning when I'll unbox, and I'm gonna fix up here, put away some toys. There's like some dirt here, but yeah, it was a lot of work, guys, because I had to assemble this. I bought this table from IKEA, so I had to build this table. I had to build this stand. This shelf. I'm gonna see if I can get some storage from some good looking storage from HomeSense. I saw them in some really good cases, so I'm just gonna get some like a nice storage unit to put those in, because I don't like how they look like that. I'm gonna get some covers for that and get this out of the box, store it underneath that shelf right there, and we should be done. So yeah, if push comes to shove, I'll probably store one of these machines over there. I don't know, but this was all my husband's idea. You know, he encouraged me to just create a little space in here, and that's why I love him so much. Well, one of the reasons why I love him so much. He's always so supportive of everything that I do. So yeah, I decided to move one of the chairs from here to there because it was against the wall and it was a little bit awkward in the space. So I was like, you know what, it's just like the two of us most times, so I just put one of those chairs over there. So yeah, that's the little space. Let me see if I can zoom a little bit more so you can see it a little better. So yeah, this is what the space is looking like so far. Yeah, I did not want anything. Well, my husband didn't want a bunch of stuff like on that wall. He just wanted something minimal, so I picked up those two thingamabobs. I picked up these two artwork from HomeSense. So yeah, this is the progress so far. I will let you guys see what it looks like with the covers and the storage, and I'm gonna move this so that it kind of balances out the space a bit more. So yeah, see you guys in the morning. It does. she is, guys. There she is, all in her glorious glory. At first I thought it was two sewing machines. Silly me. But then I remembered that this is the embroidery attachment. So yeah. What's this? And then this is the baby. Here she is. Let me turn her around. She is beautiful. Embroidery and sewing. So yeah, this is my new little baby to add to the collection. Oh, it can't record and play music. Oh, that's great.
You can't just change the audio.
When did it come pick up over the side here after town? Did it pick up something up here? So, you know, up here some drive and come for the seafood boil. Up here saying that, if I'm comfy seafood boil there, up here so.
I'm not around the corner.
Hey guys, so at this point it's like a few days later or maybe a couple weeks since I last vlog. I'm actually in the gym right now. I just finished a Zumba class. Yo, I'm here to listen, I'm here to Soca. And the dancehall drop, you know, me did have to move. Anyways, I'm on my way to pick up some stuff at Seafood Boil. Remember the last time I bought the Seafood Boil, I'm gonna try and make my own version. So I'm gonna go supermarket to pick up some stuff and then I will link back again. Yeah, I hate seeing ambulances. It means somebody's life is at risk. Anyways, let me get in this car before somebody hit me down. Oh, there's a Tim Hortons right there. Guys, my husband said I'm officially Canadian because I'm gonna stop by Tim Hortons. Oh my gosh, it is. What time now? What time is it? 7:15. I'm gonna hurry up and reach our yard now. Guys, do you see how pink I am? Do you see how pink I am? Merciful Father. So they were giving out some free organic energy drinks to try out. I wind up my window and tell them to carry one to the car because honestly, like, I've been drinking so much Red Bull and there must be an healthier alternative. It's called Guru and it says organic energy. So I could see how it walk on feet. It tastes really good. It's giving me like a berry flavor. It's a white grape juice. See if I can come out of that place, sir. I don't know why the people them sandwich me in so. Jeez and peas, the people them wicked. The people them sandwich me all the way in. Wickedness, Jesus. We should be good there, so. People them sandwich me in further murder. Alright, it's 7:18. What we doing? Oh guys, before me even so I kind of had to stop vlogging because I was going through a lot of changes in my life and I can't really even have time to pick up the camera when I try and focus. I changed jobs, so I was focused on just doing work, wrapping up all the stuff that I was doing, and then I started a new job right after, no break in between. Friday one work, Mondays a new work. So I changed jobs. I'll do a video on how that worked out for me. I'll share my story with that one. I'm telling the honest truth, guys. if me tell you say me apply for job, me tell you a lie. I don't apply for a job. So I'll let you guys know how I was able to change jobs without even applying for any. As for yeah, so I changed jobs and then I woke up one morning and my wrist just gave out. So I was only operating with one good hand for a while. Like driving was painful, so I never did really. What did happen as well? Like the dealership did have my car. I sorted out something, so my little mount never did it. So I just want them things, you see me? So yeah, we out here today. May I go double park, you know? May I double park? Because I don't want nobody parking beside of me. May I double park? Sometimes I do that because I just not like when people come scratch up my car. Because it's a 2022 and I don't want nobody scratch you. So sometimes I'll double park when I can without being like when the parking lot empty, so now we can double park. So I'll do a video on, I'm supposed to do a video on I'm also supposed to do a video on what you call it, acquiring cars, because since I've been here I've bought 3 different cars and I really want to do a video on that and how I navigated the space. I'm still not a pro, guys. Look at my face red, but yeah, I'm gonna be filming some sit down with this hair before it grow up, because this hair is 2 weeks old, to show you how long I'm gonna take up this and vlog, you understand? So yeah, I'm gonna do now. Yeah, I'm gonna lock off this and I'm gonna Safeway go pick up some food. Soon come. Okay, so I picked up some lobster claws and some snow crab legs. I'm looking for some, well, not that, I'm looking for a specific spice. I'm looking for Old Bay or something equivalent. Be right back. Okay, so this is what we're doing so far. The recipe that I was looking at is, I kind of like winging, honestly. I like adding my own flavors and stuff. So this is more like a Caribbean seafood boil based on the spices that I use in it. Like gonna let that cook. So need to cook first. Over here I have 2 lobster tails, some, why does it look so, oh never mind, 2 lobster tails. I may split them open, I'm not really too sure. And I have some already deveined shrimp. I'm going to leave the shell on so I can add more flavor. Yeah, and I have the lobster claws and stuff here. So this is what I'm going to throw in. I'll give you guys an update when everything has come together. Guys, I completely forgot about you guys. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when it was all done. It was so yummy, guys. It was so good. Anyways, I'm gonna close out this vlog here, and thank you guys so much for watching until the end. If you made it this far, comment yum yum and I will be sure to show you some love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.